Good afternoon, friends, and here I am back today again to make a video using one of my favorite indicators, which is SUPERTREND. So we are going to see that how we can use the indicator SUPERTREND to trade in stocks. So this is my Zerodha Kite software which I am using on my mobile to trade. Today I've selected one stock which is Whirlpool. Now this particular stock I've selected because now it is the month of March and Whirlpool is going to sell a lot of new washing machines in this summer season once again, because April, May, June, this is the main time when new purchase is being done in the households. So I'm going to buy this stock with a maximum period of say 1 month. So as you can see, the current rate of the stock is 1058. So let's go to the chart and use the indicator to see what will be the correct level to buy and what can be my approximate targets. So now you can see on the top left corner it is showing 1 day. So we'll be watching first of all the daily charts, which is a day by day chart. So the chart is loading now. Let's try once again. Okay, on the top right hand side you can see the FX. So I am going to type SUPERTREND, and here in the multiply section you will see it is written 3. So let it be 3 and click on create. Then go to SUPERTREND again, click on SUPERTREND. This time type 2 and again create. Hi guys, so here is a daily chart for Whirlpool stock, and what I've done is that I've added the SUPERTREND. So I'm going to remove it first so that I can show it to you, like how to add this one. And I'm also going to remove other indicators so that today we can only focus on SUPERTREND. So this is how a normal graph candlestick chart would look to you. So let me just add SUPERTREND quickly. So here it is, I go for SUPERTREND. Just remember this one, the multiplier number is 3. I click on create, you see a green line on the top right side, on the bottom right side. So this is the SUPERTREND line for the multiplier 3. I'm going to add one more, which I'll be calling the number 2 multiplier SUPERTREND line. Here it is. So these are both the SUPERTREND lines with multiplier number 2 currently at 988 and multiplier number 3 at 954. Usually I never go for one particular indicator. I usually mix 4 to 5 indicators before deciding when to buy or sell. But even if we are supposed to do only the SUPERTREND just for the learning purpose now, see, as long as the SUPERTREND is green in color, as you can see both the lines are green in color, that means your stock is trading above both the lines. It means the stock is currently in an uptrend and you can go for a buy. If you consider only the SUPERTREND, the particular position at which you have to buy will be, say for this, in this stock it will be here, because it touches the green line but then it crosses down but it closes up again above. So this level, say approximately 965, 970, this will be the particular buy range, and you can see from here the stock has continued to go above 178 top, you can see approximately. So next time it comes around, say somewhat here, which will be like 990, or by the time maybe say 1000, it will be a buy in the stock, and then you can continue to hold the stock till it closes above at least 1070, like, which is approximately the nearby high. Another thing to notice is, see, as you can see, the SUPERTREND has turned red in the first half of the chart, and here it shows arrows, means both the green lines were broken here. I shall zoom for you, and the price trading here was in this range approx 1107, then it moved down and it came to 1031. So it has broken both the SUPERTREND lines, and you can see from this level of 1056 it has gone down to almost 850, 51. Okay, So if the super trend lines are broken in the downward direction, you can go for a short in the position, perhaps in the future and not in the intraday, because I never suggest intraday unless and until you have excellent technical analysis skills. So you can go inside futures and you can short the stock until it closes above the red line. So here we can see it closed here above the red line, which is 1008. So that would have been your maximum target in case you did not cover your short around this level, which is 888. Okay, going further in this, you can see it closed above the line, the super trend line, but it never went above the second super trend line, which is the multiplier 3 line, because now we are talking about short. So even then you could have continued to hold your short positions because it did not break the upper line, the upper super trend line. And if you would have held it further, you could have achieved levels of 840, 841, which is a very good level to achieve for the short traders, because you're doing a lot of trade, you're doing a lot of volume. Okay, then we shall learn the reversal in the super trend now. The stock moves up from here, from the level of 840 approximately. It crosses the first line in the super trend. So therefore the bottom line now becomes green. So this will act as a support now. And this level of support, the first level of support will be 897 and the second line shall be 878. As you can see the green line price on the right hand side. If we go further, you see that it crosses above the second line also. Now this is a major buy recommendation by the super trend. It means now it is having double support of the super trend and you can go for a long position in this stock. So you see, you notice this level is approximately 947, and further when you scroll the chart ahead, you see it comes back down, it takes support again at 960, 962, goes below but never closes below the line, then it moves above, and it creates a high of the same one that I told you before, 1078, and still it is trading above the super trend, so it is in a buy mode. So I'm going to buy the stocks at current level, which I've already done in the morning around 1058 levels, and I'm going to hold the stock for maximum 1 month, and my targets are 1150. So this is how I mix and match super trend. In the further coming up videos, I'm going to mix super trend with other indicators like Bollinger Bands, MACD and stochastic. So whenever all the indicators together suggest me that it is a buy recommendation, I go for it. I just buy it. I don't see any other fundamental or any more technical analysis, because 4 to 5 indicators suggesting a buy is actually a buy, and maybe my targets can be achieved in less than 1 month, maybe 15 to 20 days itself, because this particular is the season, the summer season. It is a good season for these kind of stocks like Whirlpool, or you can even see Voltas. Voltas is already moving high since few days. There are more stocks, but we'll talk about it in coming up videos. So okay, all the best to my friends. Don't start trading now, do only paper trading, and unless and until you learn all the stocks, all the indicators, unless and until you learn to mix and match, don't start trading in reality, just to paper trading. Learn the indicators. Once you get hold of all the 5-7 indicators which I'll be teaching, then start the real trading in small volumes, and within a week after trading in small volumes you can go for the higher ones. Don't make losses, always keep the stop loss. The stop loss for super trend is always the bottom line, the second bottom line, like here it is suggesting 954. So if you go for a buy in the stock, your positional stop loss will be 954, but this is going to hit my target, I'm quite sure about it. Okay friends, all the best, take care, I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and give me a comments as to what other indicator you would like to see next. Bye bye, take care.